How often do you come across ugly icons? Do you even notice the icons that surround you on the streets? I've already drawn over 6,000 icons, and it seems I've developed a professional deformation. I constantly pay attention to icons, and this has some consequences. Don't understand what I'm talking about? I'll show you now. This is the city where I live, A Coruña. And this is one of my favorite places to walk. But every time I stroll here, the designer inside me wants to redesign these icons. They should be in a unified style, should complement each other, and most importantly, they should effectively and quickly convey their message to people. If an icon is incomprehensible, what's the point? Today is the day when I will take on this project and redesign these icons. Moreover, I want to make two versions, icons in a flat style and icons in thin lines. So watch this video to the end to find out which version of icons will look better. As usual, I start working on a new project by creating a mood board. For this, I use Milanote, the tool for organizing creative projects. The mood board work is completed. I have gathered all the necessary visual materials. It's time to move on to the sketch. As I mentioned it earlier, I will be making two types of icons, flat and thin line. The sketch is ready. Let's move on to creating icons in Adobe Illustrator. When I create icons, I use a special file with a modular grid for each one icon. This helps me to create icons in a consistent style. By the way, if you're a designer and want to create such icons too, my set of modular grids for creating icons will help you. You can buy and download it on my Gumroad page via the link in the description box. After several hours of work, I have two sets of icons, in flat style and thin lines. Let's see how these icons will look on a stand mockup. For this, I use Adobe Photoshop. I think it's worth rounding the corners of the rectangles, or using super ellipses to make the design look more friendly. As you can see, now all the icons are done in a unified style. It's very important to create icons in a unified style, so that they harmonize with each other and with the overall design. Icons are an important element in design, and creating them should be taken very seriously. By the way, if you need a set of icons or a logo, you can order them from me. I'm always open to new projects. You can contact me on Behance or through the Google form, the link to which you will find in the description box. The work on the icons is completed. Let's take a look together at what we've got. Which type of icons do you like better, flat style or thin lines? Write your thoughts in the comments. I'm very interested to know your opinion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.